What if I told you one of the most advanced life support systems on Earth is small enough to hold in your hand? It's not a piece of technology. It's not man-made. It's an egg. Now, before you crack it open for breakfast, let's slow down and really look at it, because what's hiding under that shell is a level of precision engineering that would make NASA jealous. The shell itself is almost entirely calcium. It looks solid, right? But it's not. Hidden across its surface are nearly 8,000 microscopic pores. These aren't random holes, they're the perfect breathing system. Oxygen flows in, carbon dioxide escapes. No wires, no pumps, just flawless, natural design. And this shell isn't just a wall, it's a fortress. Beneath it lie two thin membranes, a built-in defense system that shields the life inside from harmful bacteria and contamination. This is the first layer of security for the tiny developing chick. Now, step inside. The egg white, to most of us, it's just the part you fry up. But in reality, it's albumin, a jelly-like shock absorber. Every bump, every jolt, every sudden movement gets absorbed here. The embryo rests safely, no matter what's happening outside. And here's the detail that blows scientists away. The yolk doesn't just float around aimlessly. It's held in perfect suspension by spiral cords called chalazae. These natural stabilizers keep it exactly where it needs to be, ensuring the chick grows upright and unharmed. But the yolk itself, it's more than just a bright yellow circle. It's the ultimate survival kit, containing every nutrient the growing life will need until it's ready to hatch. Now, here's where it gets fascinating. Humans have spent decades trying to copy this design. Engineers have studied eggs to build packaging that could keep fruit safe from shocks, bacteria, and even insects. They've made progress, but here's the twist: nothing they've created is as efficient, as eco-friendly, or as self-sustaining as the egg. In fact, most man-made versions end up polluting the environment. Think about that. In the palm of your hand is a self-contained life support pod, a shockproof, breathable, nutrient-rich, biodegradable home. And it came into existence without blueprints, factories, or assembly lines. So here's the question: could something this complex, this perfectly balanced, just appear by accident? Or is it a signature, a mark left by a creator who built the world with purpose? The next time you see an egg, you might not just see breakfast. You might see the most perfect package in the universe. A reminder that some designs are beyond human reach.